Hey everybody, Quilt Marine here. So we're talking about the bind that we created for our Spider Web Quilt. And remember, last time we left off, we laid out our 2.5 inch strips and we put them together and then we cut them and then we sewed them end to end. All right, so this is what we got. Check it out. Look at that. That's kind of nice, kind of gangster, huh? Look at that. All right, so this is the bind, our homemade bind that we made ourselves out of nothing but 2.5 inch strips, scraps really, that we found in our scrap bin. So what I did was I put them all end to end, and then the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put them on the quilt. But first I have to show you what kind of backing we're going with, okay? And it's a backing that we found, well, that my wife found at the Goodwill. And what it is these owls. Look at this. Look at the owls. Look at those owls. All right. Those are the owls, the owl backing that we're using for this quilt. And once we put our bind on, this thing's going to be a wrap and we will be sending it off. It's already accounted for, so no requests. We already have somebody that we're sending it to, but maybe you'll get the next one. That's really pretty much it. So I'm gonna put the bind on. I'm gonna close this thing down, and then we'll mail it off. All right, but I won't do anything without showing you the final product. Okay. So let me get to sending some stitches down range, and we will move on. Okay. So oh, those are the dogs. So that's Daria and Gunner not agreeing on who wants to be in the room. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.